Hello guys, welcome back again to Young Heart Entertainment. If this is your first time you are visiting my channel, you are most welcome and I appreciate your visit. And of course my old subscribers, thank you for joining us. This is Young Heart Entertainment. In my last video tutorial, we talked about pronunciation of the alphabet in the right diction. And we also talked about learning later sounds and pronunciation. And I remember I told you that we have 44 sounds of English that will help us to improve our pronunciation. We have the short vowels, the long vowels, diphthongs, monophthong, voiced consonants, voiceless consonants, and other consonants. So, in today's video tutorial, we are going to talk about the vowel sound R, as in the word sad, cut, sad, can, art, and so on, and how it is producing in words. So let's get started. To produce or pronounce the R sound, you should open your mouth as wide as possible. You slightly spread your lips and tense them. Always remember the R sound is a very open sound. So your jaw should be very low and your tongue should be very flat when pronouncing it. So let's try saying it together. R, 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 R. So now let's practice the sound in words. The vowel sound R is a short vowel sound. Or you can say it's a short monophthong. The sound is usually found in letter A. And to transcribe the sound, you have to substitute the letter A for the R symbol. So let's make words from the sound R. We have bad, bad, bad. So you don't say bad, but bad. So the letter A is affected here. We have pan, pan, pan. You don't say pan, but pan from the R sound, pan. We have man, man. So you don't say man, man. It should be man. So the letter A there is affected. So the letter A in man, man turns to R, man. We have sad, sad. The boy is sad. You don't say sad. The boy is sad. The boy is sad, sad. So the letter A there is affected. Fun, fun, fun. You don't say fun, fun, but fun. Okay? Sam is not Sam, but Sam. Sam is a man. Sam is a good man. Okay? Land, land, land. Okay? Bag, bag is not bag, but bag. Can, can, can. Cut, cut. There's something I want you to take note of. Okay? In transcription, letter C always changes to K. Okay? I repeat. I said in transcription, letter C always changes to K. So, for instance, you don't say cat, 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 but is cat. Cat. So when speaking, always make sure for your speaking to look better. Always make sure, okay. Make sure you use always make sure you use C. Make sure your C changes to K. Okay. It should be cat. Can you help me? Can you help me? Okay. Cat. Okay. Always make sure your C changes to K, even when speaking. It makes your speaking better. Sound funny, right? So your C changes to K. Man. We have has, back. Okay. Art. Okay. There are many. When you see them, you know where they are. When you know where they are lies. Okay, we have ban. Okay, ban, van, and so many. So let's go on and transcribe. So let's make 10 words of sound R and make sentence with 5 of them. I am wet. I am wet. I am wet. So the word affected here is arm. Ted is sad. Ted is sad. So the word affected here is sad. I fed my cat. I fed my cat. So the word affected here is cat. The letter A is affected. Cat. Okay. Is Sam in the band? Is Sam in the band? So the word affected here is Sam. And did I hear you say band? Did I hear you say band? Band is a word affected here. Good. Sound. Let's make sentence with the word sound. Sound. The net was left on the sound. The net was left on the sound. On the sand. So the word affected here is sound. Sound. Okay? Let's make sentence with the word man. My father is a man. My father is a man. Man. My father is a man. Okay? Remember I told you that always change your C to K. It makes your speaking better. Like the word cards. I fed my cards.